Hi, I'm Wytricia Mack, and let me tell you something straight from my heart. Bad credit does not mean your life is over, and it is not a life sentence. I wrote this book because I know exactly what it feels like to feel stuck, embarrassed, or held back by a credit score that doesn't tell your whole story. I know what it feels like to want better, a better home, a better car, better opportunities, but feel like the system is working against you. But I also learned something powerful. You don't need $1,000 credit repair company. You don't need a middleman. You just need the right information. That's why I created Bad Credit is Not a Life Sentence. Inside this book, I walk you step by step through the same strategies and tools that help me transform my own credit legally, confidently, and without fear. I show you how to use Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act to remove unverifiable accounts. I give you dispute letter templates that you can use right away. I teach you your legal rights so credit bureaus can't intimidate you anymore. And I show you how to boost your score faster than you ever thought possible. This isn't theory. This isn't fluff. This is real practical help written in plain language so you can take control of your financial future. Listen, your credit doesn't define your destiny. You have the power to rebuild. You have the power to rise. And this book gives you the exact roadmap to do it. So if you're ready to stop feeling limited by your past and start stepping into the future you deserve, get your copy today. Let's break the cycle. Let's break the fear. And let's break free together.